up? We're back here again on DBC Beach. Right here. You can see all kind of things going on, but the music I don't know from it. I don't know the music.
I'm out. Teach him it.
My brother. Heal up. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Big him up, Anderson. I told you want to give me the video, you know. Heal up, handmade accessories. Anybody wish to have a look? Greetings. How you doing? Wish to have a look? Good day. How you doing? Passing again with the accessories. Enjoy the evening. Happy Saturday. Yes, sir. Hello. How you feeling? We should have a look at my accessories. Alright, going ahead with life. Yeah, I think we're about to hit the sunset time now. No. Greetings, ladies. How are you feeling today?
Wonderful.
Nice. Campaigning for more notice again. Yeah, we should have a look at my accessories, all handmade by me. Alright, well. Enjoy the beach, enjoy the weekend. Y'all going to get fest later? Well, y'all see anything to complete all your outfit later?
We bought already. I bought some too.
Okay. Well, enjoy the show, enjoy all the evening and night. Take care. That's it. There'll be sunset though. There'll be people here by Coconut Beach. Good evening. How are you feeling today? Anybody wish to have a look at my accessories, all handmade by me?
Thank you.
All good?
Is that the one where she took and it was like 24 and it was like no 40?
Greetings. Hi.
That's not the same one?
Greetings. Anybody wish to have a look at my accessories? They're good? Trying to get the people ready for Reggae Fest 2026. Good evening, how are you feeling today? Anybody should have a look at my accessories, all handmade by me. Alright. Guys, if you like this type of content, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Y'all getting some real, deep, uncommon, behind the scenes type content, so I hope all are enjoying it. Let's go. Hi, good evening, ladies. How are you feeling? Broski, how are you doing? Hi, ladies. Okay. Hello.
I just thought it would be just a non-job.
Let's see.
Yeah, but if you're gonna do that, do something that you like.
Hi, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Good evening.
What I'm trying to say is, she's trying to split her time between that
You get some of the more condescending energy on record. Really serious. Good evening, how are you feeling? Everybody should have a look at my accessories, greetings.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Y'all good? Alright, respect. Alright, so I guess we're done with Coconut Beach now. Few people at 61 West. Let's go see them. Video with TJ though. Good meetup. That's why it's always good to be available. See what I'm saying? For real. You can imagine the first time I did in front of the shop, from the Esplanade Mall. I see the person passing, I see a crowd. I just say, I'm gonna grab my camera and just follow the crowd. And I started to record as soon as I started seeing the crowd. I'm walking behind the crowd. I'm walking up to the people. And who I see? TJ. I ain't even like look out of my camera lens yet. I'm looking at my camera like I'm doing now. And I see TJ. I said, what the hell? Let me zoom up or let me try and just hold the camera on him. Because there's so much people. There's so much people like with him, and he's approaching a crowd. You know what I mean? So I didn't really want to disturb. You know what I mean? So I just stand at a distance and I just recorded it. It probably lasts about a couple of minutes, right? But as I approach them, they know. I mentioned Greensera and I mentioned if they've seen the content, and it's like they've seen it. So somehow, that was good campaigning there by the first video. And I also included it in my streams. So if that wasn't good enough, then I don't know. You know what I mean? But we're right here by 61 West right now. Let's go campaign at them, see what they're saying, see if they're vibing with the culture. Or if as they see me, they say they're good. Let's see if I scare them to say they're good. Let's see. Greetings, how are you feeling today?
How you doing? You good?
I'm getting better, and you?
Good. Yes,
I'm well done, representing Green's Era. I am a creative director for the brand. I'm vlogging right now. I'm a streamer as well. I stream DIY tutorials on YouTube.
Right.
I do a podcast on Kick.
Okay.
I do reactions on Twitch. And I sell these as, the merchandise of Green Zara, promoting eco luxury.
See the ones right there?
This one?
Yeah.
So, thank you.
Very nice.
One of one pieces. You will only find one of one pieces here. These are not mass produced. These are not like made in China and bring in or anything like that.
Right.
These are all made mostly on the stream, or may have a video to send you to if you're interested in making it. Yeah.
Right.
So you might tell me which one is the best one? Oops.
I like these ones.
Huh. Wow. Yeah, I do. I do for you. I do. Well, I don't know what's your vibe, but I'm like, what I have is nothing exotic. You know what I mean? It's just.
Something to smoke on, yeah?
Okay. Yeah. Well, if that work for you, that work for me. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Yeah, man. Hey, I could always I know I could always leave you with it once I'm completed here. It's a whole set, turquoise earring, necklace, a shirt, yes, bracelet, and I should have the anklet right here.
Yeah, I like that blue. It's beautiful.
Thank you. You could try it on, see how it feels.
How much?
The anklet is 60. This is 50.
How much just for the necklace?
The necklace alone is 80 EC.
80 EC? You like that necklace? Earrings?
hardly wear
Earrings?
70 EC. I take card payments as well. Visa, MasterCard, Connex.
Oh, wow. No, I'm good. Got some cheese? We got some cheese.
Well, I won't be able to sell here because I'm not a drug dealer, I was only going to bless you guys because, you seem interesting.
We only asked because we just ran out.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I was being cautious because I'm not that kind of guy,
Okay, got you.
Yeah, I won't be able to sell you because I won't sell you, you know what I mean?
Right.
If I have it like that, I give it away,
It's not like we haven't been asked. We're just,
I know, right? Well, perfect sunset to just catch a bath.
Everything good, don't
Yes,
give
sir.
up.
Yes, sir.
Keep going doing what you do because what you do is the best. Be you do yourself.
Right.
The real thing is in you.
Mhm.
You're not going to think about history. There's history about these things.
Right.
So the motivation of it is good because you have that. But the history of it, now you have the book with the history of this thing. Because some of them things mean something. You understand?
Facts.
When you can speak the language of the many things that you have on your board and the significance of what it for. You understand? Some you use it like the prophet you will bring it to the priest in the church, which is the holy man, bless it, and you have the significance of it and what it really means, and you give them. So you find out that you get a book, my brother, and then you start a culture thing about you're going on good. Keep going on, right? No love.
Cheers.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
peace and love.
You're welcome. Cheers. Nice earring though. The one you're wearing?
Yeah.
What is it made from?
I think it's bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah.
With 2 holes in it?
Like a
It's a knob, the nuts, very interesting.
I know, those are very nice.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is. But yeah,
Oh,
man.
yeah, thank you though. I appreciate it. It's very good. Very good work.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh. Oh, Cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You sure, yeah? Here, let me give you some.
You can't be the first giver, so what are you going to do? What are you going to come with there?
I don't know, a little something.
You know what I'm saying? So just at least.
Come on, I wouldn't mind this.
So-
Yeah, you know, like this? This looks very nice. I'll take this one. I'll take this one.
It's,
How much you say?
it's 80 EC.
Actually, you know what? Because I have one similar to that.
So
I'd
pick a
rather
next
get either the bracelet.
Oh, or the anklet or something?
Yeah, I'll do the anklet, please.
Want to try? You're welcome.
I like the color on that.
Oh, I got too big of anklet.
This is going to fit?
Oh, thank you very much.
I'll do it as a bracelet.
Okay. Let's try.
Thank you very much.
Steak is coming.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, maybe.
Oh, see this one?
This is the, you want to try the bracelet? Oh, did it fit? I find it look like a fit to me. Yeah, this look like a fit to me.
Yeah, it's a little bit. That might be too small too. Let's just see. Okay. Oh. Sure. Thank you. Thanks so much. Oh, you dropped your thing too.
Thank you.
How's that? Good?
Really good.
Okay, well, I'll try.
Is it?
Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you.
I don't go around 50 EC, but this could be a good.
Yeah, man. That's
50
good.
EC.
That's good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy evening each other, right?
Yes, you as well.
Thanks again.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please stay as long as possible in Grenada.
And enjoy.
Grenada is heaven, you know,
Yeah.
but you have to enjoy it by staying long, moving slowly, and do not procrastinate. So enjoy. You'll let me know how you go, right? Cheers. Enjoy. Take care. Yes. Right. W interaction, W video, W sale. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications. I'm gonna give you all one last look again at the sunset. our views. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications if this is a type of vibe. See y'all in the next one. Peace and love.